My name is Vishwa. I am a fourth year and I'm studying pharmaceutical sciences. What makes pharmaceutical sciences at Northeastern so special is just that lab and classroom reinforcement. Really challenged by ideas of like what true healthcare looks like, what true research looks like. It really is about like the deep pathways in your body, how these drugs affect your body and affect your system, and like they have the best people to teach you because these are the people like doing new research and figuring out these different systems. So you're able to get really focused learning and not just by the textbook, by the syllabus, following one thing. You get people who care about the field and who are very well knowledgeable about the field and have done research on their own. Through co-op, I was able to get like a really deep research experience, and then I won a scholarship through Northeastern, the top research scholarship at the school because of my research I was doing there. This research experience really taught me like science is an unknown field. There are no right or wrong answers. Everyone's learning at the same time. It gives you a chance, like through co-op, to understand what the real world of biotech, startup, industry means, and what the world of research really means. At Bouvé, I'm not learning just pharmaceutical sciences, I'm getting hands-on, real-world research experience that can impact the future.